Here are 5 tips and tricks to solve CSS problems more effectively. 1. Leverage browser dev tools. Debugging CSS can be tricky, but browser developer tools, e.g., Chrome DevTools, allow you to inspect elements, modify CSS in real time, and see how changes affect the layout. Tip: right-click on any element in your browser, choose Inspect, and tweak the CSS rules directly in the browser to instantly see the results. This helps debug issues quickly. 2. Use Flexbox and Grid for layouts. Instead of relying on floats or complex CSS hacks for layouts, make use of Flexbox and CSS Grid. Flexbox is great for one-dimensional layouts, rows or columns, while Grid is ideal for two-dimensional layouts, both rows and columns. Trick: use Flexbox for simpler layouts like navigation bars or centering content. For complex responsive grids, use CSS Grid for precise control over rows and columns. 3. Use CSS Variables for consistency. CSS Variables, also known as custom properties, allow you to reuse values across your style sheet. This makes it easier to maintain consistency, like in colors, font sizes, or spacings, and simplifies future changes. Trick: define your variables in the root selector for global scope. Example: root, primary color, 3498B, padding size, 16px, size body, color, var, primary color, padding var, padding size, height, 4. Master positioning, relative, absolute, fixed, sticky. Understanding how positioning works can help you solve common layout problems, such as positioning elements over each other, e.g., modal windows, tooltips, or keeping an element fixed on the screen while scrolling. Tip: use position, relative, to create a reference point for absolutely positioned elements. For elements that should remain visible while scrolling, like a sticky header, use position, sticky. Use responsive design techniques, media queries. Designing for multiple screen sizes is critical. Media queries allow you to apply CSS rules based on the screen size, ensuring that your website looks good on mobile, tablet, and desktop devices. Tip: start with a mobile-first approach, writing base styles for small screens, and then use media queries to adjust for larger screens. Example: CSS copy code body, font size 16px, default for mobile. On media, min width 768px, body, font size 18px, tablet, media, min width 1024px, body, font size 20px, desktop,